I was just a seller today. I didn't buy anything with this gap up. I was very happy. I came with a chunk of stock long. It's funny because they said Jerome Powell was going to be on 60 Minutes like over the weekend, and I had so much stock long, and I'm just like, oh fuck. Like the first time I heard the news, I was just like, he's going to talk about how the economy's in the shitter. He's going to tank this market, all this stuff, and then the market ends up gapping up 3% because he's like, yeah, the Fed is just going to keep buying everything until vaccine comes out. But I mean, here's this Intel trade. We took it here. We're going to take it again here. I was selling the 60. I still have like a quarter of my stock left, but I'm not looking to buy the 60 at all. I want to be selling into this. I'm already making 5 to 1 on this trade. What else? I had some stuff written down here. Snap, same deal where it's like, you know, I just keep buying. I bought this the first time through 17. And I'm just getting so much information from the stock. I took some off at 18 because I know the real out is 15. So then it comes back again, test that area, that 1650 again. I rebuy, I take off into here, and then for a third time, same exact trade. And these names are making my month. I'm taking one trade, and then again Thursday, Friday, held that area again, and I sold into that 18 today. I still have about a quarter left of this one, you know, but this one didn't have the follow through that the others had.